We are here at the UC Davis feedlot. This study is a feeding study. We are feeding a Quebracho tannin in hopes to reduce enteric methane production. We have a total of 47 animals on this study and then 2 treatments. So the first treatment is going to be control, and then the other 24 animals are receiving that tannin additive. It's important in that they only access one bunk because we only feed them so much per day, so it's based on that individual animal's intake. But then we also have controlled treatment, we have a tannin treatment, and we don't want a control animal consuming the tannin treatment. The RIC bins are unique in that individual tag that is put in that animal can be assigned to an individual bunk. So in their ear is an RFID tag. An RFID tag is what's known as a radio frequency identification tag, which allows them into the system and for the system to record the animal.